And keep that bike rubber side down.
You're right there, ladies and gents. How's it going? I'm out green laning. I'm out with Big Pezza, who's up ahead of me. We've got lamb chop rides, Womble, and a chap called Dan, who was our fantastic guide for the day. Yes, we're green laning in Hampshire, and it's proper sticky, slimy goo underfoot. It was an awesome day. It really was fun, and yeah, lots of offs and excitement and learnings was achieved by all of us, I think. Well, except for Dan. I think Dan did the whole thing blindfolded with his hands tied behind his back. He is one nifty mofo. He really is. Yes, I think we all fell off at least once. So, yes.
That looks pretty shitty there. Oh dear. Do you want to throw out the front? Roost Central, but he got out. Dan's going the hard way, good on him. Nicely done, Dan. They said it was going to be dry. It's not raining. I guess that's sort of dry, but these puddles are definitely wet. So here's the next one, I guess. Let's see what this one's like. Pretty well maintained at the moment. Let's get stood up. Still got the Pez. Awesomes. When I had my KTMs, I found it so difficult to actually look up when I was riding, and I don't know whether that's a newfound confidence or just this bike. It just makes me feel comfier. I think I've sort of said that before, but yeah, it's kind of quite awesome that this bike fills me with quite a lot of newbie confidence. Okay, this might be quite steep. Oh, traction is not here in abundance, but these tyres do scrabble well. Well, there's certainly a lot more grip here than there is on Chalk Hill, or was on Chalk Hill that last time I was going up it. Man, don't want to be here. Oh, get your breath back. Pez is right on my tail. He's right on my tail. He might have to pass me. Struggling on that. That's steeper than Chalk Hill, that is. Much steeper than Chalk Hill. But whew, that was fun. Yeah.
Come on! Almost, dude. Almost. I was watching, I was like, I'll keep catching you up. I
was seeing you in my mirror and I was like, I can't slow down, don't slow down!
I think if you didn't crash the other week, you wouldn't have made it up this week. There.
Well, okay, you've taught me.
You were about to give it something and you stopped yourself.
Yeah, it's good fun, that one.
I like that, that was good. What do we have here? He said this was a downhill, and we've got to be careful on the old front breaker Rooney, but also with what Pez was saying to me. The other day when we were doing the Chalk Hill thing, so don't be scared to use the front brake. So yes, don't be scared to use it, but just don't use too much, and I think we're going to be okay. Right, this one's got a rut. Let's try and stay out of the rut. Right. I'm stuck in the rut now.
So this rut is almost as deep as the wheels on the bike. I'm really struggling to keep my foot on the foot pegs. It's horrific. It's just horrific. It's really slidey chalk, and there's no room to put your feet on the pegs.
It's just horrid.
You can't stop because the bike just slides. Yeah, it's just tough. And you'd thought going downhill it would be alright because you're just going to use gravity, but nah, it just saps your energy. It saps your energy. At one point, just so I could be on the bike, I was actually kneeling on the saddle. Mental hill. Now, I don't sound like I'm having much fun on it, but actually, I am. It's just hard.
Fucking hell. That was tough. Yeah.
Ready? You right?
Yeah. Pull the clutch and just roll it down.
Don't brake.
Don't brake, just pull the clutch. Pull the don't look there, look over there. There we go. That's a bit tougher than Chalk Hill going down.
You're going back up, yeah?
You don't need. You put that down here. It's called the shot. Farmer from here, it's a well-known rapist. I always try to trust farm.
Okay, so that was quite hard on the bike. That was mirror broken. Life's okay. No one died, and I haven't snapped it either, so we're all good. So I'm hoping that the camera is pointing roughly in the right direction. So I want to feel like it's getting a bit easier here, but it's not really. I've got so much mud on the bike, I've just got no grip. I hope I've got some audio. Oh, jeez, wowzers. Comfort zone being well and truly pushed, and I'm enjoying pretty much every minute of it, you know.
With my energy levels pretty much depleted now, I was really grateful for this pit stop. Got myself some food, got myself some fluids in me, and we had a good little natter. As we come around this corner here, there's a little drop off here, just in front of Big Pezza. This one was kind of intimidating for me, but not too scary. And then as we go further along, got I think that's Womble in front of us, just doing it there, and Big Pez is just approaching it. This drop off here is actually quite a big one, and quite scary. But we did it. I did it. I gritted my teeth and cracked on. I just love pushing my boundaries like this. It might be really simple stuff for most of you, but for me this is just really quite difficult stuff. And the GoPro cameras just do not show the steepness of these things very well at all. We're about to do a hill climb up there. Some of us got up there, some of us didn't. I was one of the ones that didn't make it. Yeah, you'll see that in a little bit. But first of all, we are plucking up the courage to give it a go. GoPro cameras just don't do these hills justice. Dan is by far the most experienced of us at riding, and he's our guide as well, and he's going to show us how to get up this thing. He makes it look like it's blooming flat. And also, how to get back down it again. Simples, eh? Nice job, Dan. Next up, we've got Womble giving it a go. He's on a Husky 250 4-stroke, and he gets up no problem at all first go, which is really impressive. And yeah, nice one, Womble. Next up, we've got Lamb Chop Rides. He's on a Husky 250 2-stroke, one of the new TPI jobbies, I believe. And it is a beast of a bike. It's so fast. So fast. And again, he makes it look easy too. Damn it. Next up is Big Pezza on his Honda CRF 250 with 50/50 tyres. Yeah, they don't quite have the same grip as Knobblies. Not quite at all. I apologise again for the shoddy audio on this ride out. Yeah, there's not much I can do about it apart from try and reduce how painful it is to listen to. So yeah, sorry about all the crackles and pops and stuff.
Now I'm facing the right way.
Is it in gear? You got it? So I need to go faster than that then? No.
And then finally, it was my turn. At least I tried. At least I tried.
You alright, mate?
Yep. I don't know why I'm holding the front brake on. The front wheel's not in the air.
You have to recover that.
Yeah.
Okay. So. Can you, alright.
Yep.
So massive thanks to Big Pezza for helping me out, and Dan in getting the bike recovered from the side of the hill. It's quite a heavy beastie, this little beater. I'd say it's about 30 kilograms heavier than a Husky 450 Enduro or a Beta RR 450, 430, whatever. Yeah. It is quite a chunk, quite a heavy chunk indeed. So manhandling it around is pretty tiring, but with the support from the guys around me, yeah, we got it picked up and back down the hill again. So yeah, thanks Dan, thanks Pez, you're superstars, absolute superstars. Thanking you.
So what, through and up that way? Okay. Sorry about the huffing and puffing. I am blowing out my fucking hoop. Here you go. Cheers. Yeah. Yeah. So although this is quite a short distance adventure compared to the likes of the Australian stuff I've been watching on the Tube of Views, from the likes of Mr. Oz Adventure, Captain Cranky and Big Kev, it's still pretty adventurous as far as I'm concerned. It's all places I've never been to before, not knowing what the tarmac, the terrain's going to be like, not knowing whether I'm going to struggle or succeed, but knowing that the guys I'm with, we all look out for each other, we all help each other out. It's really good team building stuff, this is really good.
Gonna keep that body rubber side down. You know, you gotta keep that body rubber side down.